charges to the electric vehicles are gradual. This station serves both types of vehicles equally. Now I request Saswat to tell something about what
I will try it later, okay?
When it rains, when it rains at the top of this building, there is nowhere for the water to go anywhere except this pipe. When it goes here, then it goes into a well, as we can drink it. So it can be used as watering for plants and washing vehicles, etc. Now I will request Pratik to say something about waste management.
So there are many two types of waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. And the truck will collect the garbage, all the garbage from each and every house of the city to get degradability. And then they will throw that biodegradable waste in a place which then slowly convert into humus, and which also provide essential nutrients to the plants. And this also keeps our
The first book of classic named Puzzle. We are here with a very interesting project, mathematical model. It contains puzzles for you to solve, illusions to crack, and games to play. The puzzles will be led by our first member, Sachi.
Good morning, judges. These are some puzzles. First, there is T-shaped puzzle. There are some pieces. You have to join this and create it as T-shape. And second, there is header shadow. You have to cut one shape and you have to create another shape. Like you can create triangle shape. Then third one we have missing the square. Here.
This is our project. Our project name is Solar Power Innovation. Since saving power and reducing pollution. So now I request Safalya Khuntia to explain about this project.
We have used Arduino Uno and servo motor. When car comes from that side, it opens. It opens, and when it went from that side, it closes. So it will reduce the activity of accidents.
The name of our group is UBTRS. This is made by the first letter of each member of our group. And the topic of our project is health and hygiene. So this is our first model, which is a balanced diet. A balanced diet shows that each food should be eaten in a right amount, like fruits and vegetables gives us vitamins and minerals.